Okay guys, so it is Sunday and now it's 7 in the morning. Now we will start, अभी दिन start करेंगे. So after मैं नहा धो के आता हूँ, brush करके आता हूँ, then I'll show you that what the market looks like, and then after that we are gonna generalize. First we are gonna read book, then we are gonna generalize, and then I'm gonna learn about more. I'm gonna more learn about the order flow today. आज order flow के बारे में कुछ और सीखूँगा that I'm gonna tell you guys, and of course we'll talk about trading psychology today and read, and I'll backtest, and yes, I'll show you what the market looks like and what are my expectations on the market and what will happen in the current upcoming week. So this is it. Let's start our video and I'll see you guys in a bit. So okay guys, I just took a bath. मैं नहा धो के सब ready हो गया हूँ. So without wasting any time, um, I'll just show you that what the market currently looks like and what I predict for the next week, and what will be the appropriate positions that we could take on gold. And yeah, this is all about it, and then I'll start generalizing, and of course we're gonna talk about trading psychology a little later. तो ट्रेडिंग साइकोलॉजी के बारे में बात करेंगे. एंड ये दिस बिट सो विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी टाइम, जस्ट लेट मी जस्ट शो यू दैट व्हाट I think about the next week. Okay guys, so as you can clearly see that this was one of my positions that I took, that I basically took on 25th of May, and as you can clearly see, it was a 18.75 risk to reward ratio, 1 ratio to 18 risk to reward ratio. As you can see, my orders were just right here. As you can see the buy limit, and this is the 5 minutes time frame, because this was what the starting of Asian session, in which I thought there would be a यहाँ पे Asian session start हुआ था हमारा, तो I believe that there would be a huge amount of liquidity and volume that will flow to the market, and it exactly did. So as you can see that it was my entry. My stop loss was just down at what you can say 10 pips, and I captured beautifully 180 pips just right here. As you can clearly see, I captured this much of points on the charts because of the my precise entry. So as my basic scenario was, as you can as हम सबको पता है कि economy fall हो रही है, तो gold के लिए एक perfect bullish scenario है. So that was my opinion on this trade. I basically took this position uh, just right here, and I have stop loss was just right here. As you can see, the price respected my level beautifully, and it went all the way to the upside, making us a huge amount of money of 18.75 or approximately 19.19 risk to reward ratio, which was extremely good. I made I did it on 10x leverage, so we had approximately $3,000 made on this trade. And as you can see that this level, that is particularly the 3269 level, it was a very important level, because as you can see this was the previous all-time highs once a time. And as you can see that there was an FVG formation just right here. यहाँ पे FVG फॉर्म था, तो FVG की लिक्विडिटी प्लस इट वाज ये बहुत सारे सेशंस का लो है. जैसे कि यहाँ कई बार यहाँ लंदन न्यूयॉर्क सेशंस जो हुए थे हमारे 23rd के, ये उनका लो है. एंड आफ्टर दैट many ऑफ दिस लेवल कंटेन्स अ वेरी ह्यूज अमाउंट ऑफ लिक्विडिटी. सो मैंने आप सबके सामने मैंने यहाँ पर एक पोजीशन ली थी अपनी टू द डाउन साइड, and as you can see that I made a huge amount of profit just right here. My risk to reward ratio was approximately of was you can say 1:5 risk to reward ratio, but मैंने यहाँ पर अपना quit कर लिया, वरना मैं यहाँ पर, क्योंकि यहाँ पर I believe कि price would have even break this level. My take profit was just right, my stop loss was adjusted in profit, so profit की वजह से मेरा यहाँ पे 1% पे मेरी position out हो गई थी, वरना I could have easily made, I could have captured this beautiful move. That's why I say अगर आपका stop loss hit भी हो रहा है तो होने दो, but you have to trail your positions only. If I had let my positions trail, we could have made even 25% of profit just right here, and we currently should be in 15% profit अगर मैं अपनी ओपन करता. But still I am happy because I made 7% on two positions, 11% on two positions on this trade, and on one position I closed on plus 1%, but we could have even captured 20%. My still let me just show you on higher time frame that what I expect. Let me take you at the higher time frame. So as you can clearly see, कि economy is falling in a very huge momentum. So what I basically expect is, I believe to price, for the price to come up to this level and make a retest to this level. This is where I will take my entry, because this level contains a very huge amount of liquidity. अब ये resistance की तरह work कर रहा है, and now I believe it will work as a support. I believe so. This would be my entry point, and price would go all the way to the down, all the way to the upside, even clearing out the all-time highs, and could even potentially break it. So this is what I expect for the price, and this would be my entry point at the 326.530 level, because I believe that price could perform very well at this level. As you can see, this level contains a huge amount of liquidity just right here. As you can see, many of the sessions closed there, and this contained a huge amount of liquidity. Price retested this FVG, which was a very beautiful trade. Normal price action, I took the instant entry, I gained out the profit, and yes, this is pretty much of it. What I expected, I believe I'll take my entry on this level, because I believe this level will act as a support level for the future, and that is where I'm gonna take my positions. So yes, this was all about my positions. What I expect for the market in terms of price action. In terms of economy, मैं अभी आपको बताऊंगा. Just looking at, we'll look at the economic outlook की price समय क्या कर रहे हैं, and what are the scenarios currently of price. So this is pretty much of it. Now I'll read and then I'll tell you about what the economy is all about. Okay, so guys, let us talk about the economy for this week. अब अगले week जो कि हमारा है from 4, or you can say from 5 to 9. In these 5 days, what is gonna 5 to 10 in these days, what is gonna happen. So as we can clearly see that tomorrow, that is May 5, is gonna be a very very good day for us, in which we can see extreme volatility. As you can see, we have the ISM services PMI for the day, and what I believe is because of the economy is coming in so bad, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि ये भी बुरी आएगी economy के लिए, and of course if it comes out bad, then it would be much better for gold. So I'll believe कि if it comes bad, then gold will break out this level, which is the 3267, which is the 3267.662 level, and will make a retest. And if it breaks this level and makes a retest to this level, that is where I'm gonna place my entry, and my stop loss will be just below this level at appropriate range, and my take profit will be all the way to these highs, or even further. I can even trail it to further, because what I expect is that price could even take out the all-time highs in the current scenario जो price है. So yes, on 6th of May we do not have anything good. On 7th of May, that is going to be a very important day, because we have the, I think हम उस दिन ट्रेड नहीं करेंगे, क्योंकि उस दिन फेडरल फंड्स रेट आएंगे, एक्सचेंज रेट आएंगे, जो कि काफ़ी इंपॉर्टेंट है हमारे लिए, एंड इसके लिए मेरे पास कोई ऐसा चीज़ नहीं है. बट येस, आई बिलीव कि फेड रेट कट कर सकती है, क्योंकि फेड ने रेट करे तभी इकोनॉमी इंप्रूव होगी. सो येस, दिस वाज 7th May. This is going to be a very important day, trust me. And 8th May is as regularly it is on Thursday, so we have the unemployment claims, which has been dropping out since the last 2 times. And now on May 9th we have nothing important. We have the Britain government, go belly speaks, so that is not gonna important for us, because we are looking for XA USD. And as you can see, the week ends on Saturday May 10, and we have nothing important on that day too. So yes, the main days that I'm looking on, first of all, is the 5th of May, that is 7:30 p.m. That contains ISM services PMI. अगर ये डाउन होती है तो हमारी theory सही होगी, I believe. And the second day that I'm looking for is 7th of May, because we have the federal funds rate and FOMC statement. That is all I'm gonna say, that these two are very important days, which हमें economy के बारे में बहुत कुछ बताएंगे. Thursday is not an important day, because unemployment claims in every week. So this is pretty much of it, and yes, without wasting any time, now I'll continue my generalizing. So now it's 12:40 and I just showed you that what my expectation for the market are. मैं बोले इसकी वजह से हूँ क्योंकि अभी इकोनॉमी को अगर हम एनालाइज करें तो इकोनॉमी बहुत ही डाउन चल रही है. एवरीथिंग इज़ ऑन द वर्ज ऑफ कोलैप्स. because of the Trump and tariff factors, and also the economy is falling down in immense pressure. We do not have any good reads also जिन पे हम rely कर सकें. Even the CPI or the Consumer Price Index for the yearly also came in down, and that is a very 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 bad signal according to me, and due to which I expect the price could probably move to the upside. And now without wasting any time, yes, I wrote a little more जो important चीज़ थी मैंने थोड़ी और note करी, which I'll tell you guys in the evening. And now without wasting any time, you know what, I'll just start editing my video. And I was uploading my video at morning 7 a.m. but now I believe I'm gonna upload them at evening 7 a.m. because सुबह 7 बजे पे I do not think कि कोई रीच आ रही है, वो ठीक टाइम भी नहीं है अपलोड करने का. तो I believe I'm gonna upload my video at 7 PM एंड आज से 7 PM या 8 PM के बीच में ही मेरी वीडियोस आएंगी. दैट इज़ आई थिंक इज़ द ऑप्टिमल टाइम फॉर अपलोडिंग द वीडियो. सो यस, 7 PM be ready, my video is out, and if you haven't watched my yesterday video, please watch it, go and watch it, you'll love it. And yes, now let's start editing our video, and I'll see you guys after I have edited. So guys, now it's 4 and finally I have did my whole video and it is now exporting. Please watch the video and you'll get a lot of motivation from it, and you'll see that how I do things. So yeah, this is pretty much of it. I have given you the market analysis, that what I predict for the future. We just had the economical analysis and we have completed our generalizing a little bit. I know still I have a lot of work to do, so without wasting any time, now I will be reading my book, and after reading my book, I will give you an insight, a psychology concept that will help you a lot in trading, and then we'll just keep doing our work. So guys, it's 7 now and I have just uploaded my video. Please go and watch it. Please support. You'll love the video. Of course, I share my things, that what I do daily on a daily basis, and मेरी यही जर्नी है कि जो मुझे बहुत आगे लेके जाएगी, because I have the manifestation in my mind, not small manifestations but very huge. I'm soon gonna drop out of college, I'm soon gonna make good amount of money, huge amount of money, soon amount, in a very little amount of time my YouTube will grow up. I'll live my dream life, I'll have intense freedom, I'll go anywhere I want, I'll travel Greece, I'll travel, my main aim is that I'm gonna travel to Greece, I'm gonna travel to Jordan, Petra, I'm gonna travel to Egypt, I'm gonna travel to Rome. These are what my aims that I'm gonna soon gonna accomplish, and you are gonna just see me doing that, and anyone can do it because I'm working hard for it, and this is what it's all about. बस आप जाके मेरा वीडियो देखो, काफ़ी अच्छा, आपको अच्छा लगेगा. प्लीज़ वॉच द वीडियो, and without wasting any time, now let us start reading. I have 2 books to read today, which I'm gonna show you guys, and without any wastage of time, let's start. फर्स्ट बुक रीडिंग इज़ नाउ कंप्लीट. तो पहली बुक हमने रीड कर ली, एंड आई रोट अबाउट कन्वर्जेंस इन दिस बुक. आई विल रिकमेंड यू टू रीड दिस बुक, विच इज़ द जापानीज कैंडल चार्टिंग टेक्निक्स, विच इज़ बाय स्टीवनसन. दिस इज़ द सेकंड एडिशन. आई हैव रेड द फर्स्ट वन, एंड ये आपको अगर टेक्निकल एनालिसिस के लिए कोई बुक पढ़नी है तो दिस इज़ द बेस्ट बुक दैट आई विल रिकमेंड. द सेकंड बुक इज़ अवर ओजो बुक, दैट इज़ द मैजिक ऑफ थिंकिंग बिग. Now we'll read our book, The Magic of Thinking Big, and after that we'll journalize, we'll talk. I'll give you the last market overview, and we're gonna end our day because we're done for the day. And yeah, this is pretty much of it. So without wasting any time, let's get into it. These are some very important quotes जो मैं आपको बताना चाहता हूँ, जो आप मुझे मिले. फर्स्ट इज दिस: वेयर देयर इज़ अ विल देयर इज़ अ वे. जहाँ अगर आपके अंदर चाह है कुछ भी करने की, तो रास्ता अपने आप बनता है. ऐसी कोई चीज़ नहीं जो आपको रोक सके. अगर आपके पास कोई ना कोई तरीका है, अपने दिमाग से इम्पॉसिबल वर्ड हमेशा निकाल दीजिए, क्योंकि ऐसी कोई चीज़ नहीं है जो इम्पॉसिबल है. हर एक चीज़ दुनिया में पॉसिबल है. कोई चीज़ आपको नहीं रोक सकती, चाहे वो कितनी ही बड़ी हो. और मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल जो है वो इन्हीं सब चीज़ों से पीछे रह जाते हैं, बट हमें वैसा नहीं रहना. वी हैव टू पुश फास्ट एंड वी हैव टू वर्क हार्डर देन 90% ऑफ द पीपल टू बिकम better than 90% of the people. Remove the world impossible. Do your shit. Just start doing something and the way will become on its own. So now it's 12 and सुबह से ही काम कर रहा हूँ, तो मेरा सब कुछ काम कंप्लीट हो गया है आज का. एंड आई एम हैप्पी विद माई प्रोग्रेस जो मैं अभी करंटली कर रहा हूँ. सुबह का मेरा टाइम टेबल मैंने लिख लिया है. आई एम गोना पे कर लिया. आई एम गोना राइट मोर and we're gonna edit our video, we're gonna read the book. These are 3 tasks for the morning that I have to accomplish at any costs. और ये सब चीज़ें हैं. And so yes, this is it. Now everything of our timetable is complete. Yes, so what I'm gonna say is मेरी भी condition इस समय बहुत tough है, but I'm still not giving up. I'm giving it all. So I want you all to, just believe whatever your situation is, to be at this situation and never ever in your life even think of giving up. Push through the hard times. The good times are waiting for you. बस मैं यही सोच के चलता हूँ, कितना भी मेरे जीवन में टफ टाइम आ जाए, जो मेरा काम है मैं उसको नहीं छोड़ूंगा. I will be consistent. I will be consistent forever and I will become better than 99% of the people and will live my life to the fullest. I am giving 6 to 7 hours a day to this particular skill from the last 2.5 years, and yes, I have not developed full confidence that I can blast the shit off. So no matter what, just keep going. Someone supports you is good. Someone, no one supports you is even more, it's even better. Just be yourself, work harder, believe you can do it, work hard like hell, and each and every second while doing the work think that you're gonna achieve it. This is it for the day, guys. Thank you for watching my video and please like and subscribe the previous video. उसके बाद आपको इसका लिंक मिल जाएगा. And this is pretty much of it and I'll see you guys tomorrow.